sunshine.
So Chloe's braiding my hair, and then we're gonna go on a hike today. I think today's just gonna be more like a laid back day again. Like, we don't really know what we're doing. Just kind of like
Figuring it out as we go.
Yep, but we're definitely gonna go hike and
See some koalas and maybe some wallabies.
some wild kangaroos. But yeah, that'll be fun.
Look at the turtles. Look at like turtles. Look at turtles and twins and turtles.
We're gonna look at glowworms in a cave. We're gonna go under the ground and go look at glowworms. Look how cute the little mascot is. Look how cute. Yeah, but we're gonna go underground and go look at some glowworms. So we're in the Tambourine Mountain, about to go on a glowworm cave tour, and you hear the cicadas singing away right now. Oops, actually didn't leave the gate open and he hit his balls on it. So now we're on a hike. Jeez. And we couldn't take pictures of the glowworms, but like I could put like a little picture of like what they would look like. I could like Google a picture or something. Oh my god, there's a snake right there. Oh my god, wait. You can't even see it. Oh, we should probably leave. We should probably Oh. That snake is about to attack. It's hungry. We should probably leave. Hey guys, so okay, they have to be like right here. Yeah, we're in the jungle now. We survived the snake. We don't know if it was a brown snake or not, but it was scary, right?
Yep.
So now the cicadas are screaming at us.
Those aren't cicadas.
What are they?
They sound like birds.
That's scary if those are birds making those noises. All in sync with each other. They're all about to attack.
No, what would be scary is if they got quiet.
Like, oh snap. So our second wild animal encounter. We've found a wild turkey. How do you feel about the turkey?
Gobble gobble.
So we have another wild animal encounter. Massive.
Looks like a giant bearded dragon.
There's a waterfall. Wow. Yum. Sure. Ooh, sweaty after that hike. Glistening. Crikey. Whoa. Crikey. Ooh, okay, at least it's not that far down because I don't like heights very much. And I'm walking very slow because look at that. Chloe! Yeah, that's so nice. My dad said we should eat them, but I'm not sure.
Might be a more fun hike.
You know, it's like Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. All the different animals that you could like possibly see. And you could freaking see a platypus. I almost said Perry.
Perry.
You could almost see Perry.
Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
Deliberately rocking the structure is prohibited. It says
Stop.
It says not to.
I don't like
Can you wait till they're done?
I'm walking. What are you talking about?
Who walks like a never. Joe!
What's Jojo doing over there?
Watch your language.
I'm filming.
It depends on who's watching it.
It's on YouTube, so. Why is she shaped like that? She's gonna get beat. Crikey!
Really? Right, my fucking.
It's so cold. We might come back here tomorrow and then there's monks up there. Oh wait, wrong religion. And there's a dude that keeps doing backflips. I'll put in a video of that. You angle up my toes. Oh.
Mommy, I might be stretching out your dance. Huh?
Oh no, look at that little girl. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Very impulsive. Chloe's gonna go brunette. I'm so scared. And I'm gonna go red. And
We're actually
Jojo
doing
is
this.
gonna go purple.
Purple.
Yay.
What are you gonna do, Jamie?
You should.
No, I shouldn't.
What did you find?
I found a Long Beach hat, gangster.
Illegal in the United States because they have like toys on the inside of them. And I guess kids are like choking on them.
Parents don't know to be parents.
Parents don't know how to be parents. Okay, open it. How do you like to
Crack it open.
Oh, it's melting. I got the bunny guy. How do you open it? You like push him open. I don't know what I got. A princess. Is it like... Okay, well.
I dropped it.
That's that. 8, and Chloe's getting kind of nervous because we gotta dye her hair. I can't believe she actually let me.
I'm so scared.
Like, I've been wanting
for so long.
her to dye her hair like brown, and and I actually talked her into it, and now we're gonna do it. It's gonna be great. Are you excited?
No.
So, update with Chloe and I's hair. We're both dyed. We're just, oh, look at my towel. We're just waiting for it to dry. And then when it dries, we'll show the results. Okay, vlog update. You can't even really tell, but my hair definitely looks darker. But tomorrow when we're like outside and stuff, like in my next vlog, I'll hopefully you'll see it more in the sunlight. You can kind of see a little red tint. Chloe's it's like kind of brown, but like kind of not brown, so we're gonna re-dye it tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna re-dye it tomorrow because tomorrow we're going to Currumbin, which is like a zoo. And yeah, good night.